Hello YouTube, it's Paul again here with another radio on the bench. Today the radio is an Australian AP400 Apollo Deluxe UHF transceiver, which was delivered by the MH Group to Australia, and it operated on the free-to-air band 476 to 477 megahertz, and there was 40 channels. The chassis itself is a Cybernet chassis, very similar to the B model General Electric, but the PCB is not. It's built in Japan. Alright, these are a very desirable citizen band radio. Back in the day, these were in very high demand. This one is one of the first ones ever brought out. It does not have the repeater mode for the repeater frequencies or duplex at the bottom end of the band. Obviously it has a power on, power off, has a squelch delay, dimmer, and then all very basic controls, which looks like a 27 meg CB radio. But we have tone, RF gain, squelch and volume, and even the Cybernet meter. Cybernet, and that. Alright, so I bought this today, knowing very well it didn't work, so that's great. The person I bought it off said that it was quite deaf. Went through just setting up my alignment process, and the alignment process starts at obviously T1, T2, T3, 4, 5, 6, you peak those, and then we go into 13, 15, 14, 15 and 16, and there's a process and order for that, but that's all fine, and that's how you set up the initial. Alright, so I'm going through there. I'm looking for RF coil T13, so I'll show you where it is. Alright, so there's T14, here's T13. Where's it gone? Oh, wonder why it doesn't work. Turns on, but it doesn't receive well. It's just after the crystal stage. So very interesting. Okay, this is the back side of the board. Notice that there's been some very poor work done here in and around the crystals. And we come over here to T13, totally missing. Right, so I need to find the T13 coil. Right, I can now see why this radio got put on the shelf and nobody wanted it. Somebody butchered it. Alright, I'll just go and refer and look into the part numbers. Alright, I'm just looking at the parts list, this is an original factory manual, very extensive, printed on the old typewriter. This is what we need. We need an RF coil 07MM003S, so 07 Mike 003 Sierra. If anybody knows where I can find one, that would be great. It is a small coil.